Hi, welcome to the bird show. I'm Turkey. This is Bob.
I'm Pigeon, though.
No, you're Bob.
Oh, right.
And
I'm Pig.
no, you're Rainbow.
Oh. Can't forget my name.
Don't remember your name. That's silly.
And today, Monster.
I'm talking.
Okay.
Okay, now you can talk.
And today, Monster High is visiting us.
What?
So today, Monster High is visiting us.
I still don't understand you.
Monster High is present. He's saying Monster High is visiting us.
Okay. Where are they?
Right.
Ah! They're really monsters.
Yeah, but they say they're not really scary monsters.
They're not scary. Look scary to me.
Hi,
Whoa! What is that?
I'm a horse.
A horse.
Achoo! Excuse me.
Bless you. What kind of horse is that?
Monster regular horse. You know a minotaur.
Why you got wings?
I'm a part bird too. This is why I joined the bird show. And here are my friends. Back here.
You bird?
Ow.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry. Okay. Everyone get up. Yeah. Yeah, sorry. We're just kind of tired. Ow.
Wow.
Woke up like 10 in the morning.
Who else is a bird? You a bird?
No one else is a bird.
Well, this is the bird show. Why are these people not? No birds here on the bird show.
Well, this is Monster High. That's why I bring it here. Well, I have wings though.
Okay.
And I can fly though.
Oh, okay. Is that a cat?
Yeah.
Hey, you better not try to bite me.
Don't worry. I don't eat birds. Birds aren't meat.
You don't like birds?
Nah. I like coffee. I like coffee.
You're a wolf.
Woo!
Don't eat me.
I won't.
Okay.
You're not meat.
Let's get back over here. What you guys doing? Wake up. We got a show going on. Wake up.
Oh, right. We're doing the bird show.
Okay.
What are you doing today anyway?
We're doing the bird show. Hello.
Yeah, well, what are we doing on the bird show? Turkey.
Something wrong with you. Don't you see we got these guests over here?
Yeah, well, what are we gonna do today?
We talk to them. We talk. This is a talk show.
Well, what are we gonna do on a talk show?
Okay, just sit down right there and be quiet.
Come on.
Wake up.
Okay.
I see you. Okay. Let's see. So you can fly. Let me see you fly.
Okay.
Whoa. Show.
Since I'm part horse and have wings, I'm a Pegasus.
Where'd you go?
Right over here.
Come back down.
Whoa,
Whoa, watch out. You fly like a rocket. I wish I could fly like that. Okay, who else can fly? Let's see somebody else fly.
I can fly. Yeah.
Whoa. That's great.
Yeah, you fell.
Okay, come back. Anybody else? Stop sleeping. You're gonna.
I just woke up at the other morning.
You're gonna get.
Woke me to sleep.
Get off me!
Come on.
You're gonna get fired.
I'm sorry. I just woke up 2 in the morning, Mommy.
You're crazy. Let's get back Carol here.
I can fly.
Alright. That's more like floating. Are you a balloon?
Now I'm a ghost, Sleep.
Ghost?
Don't worry, I won't harm you.
Alright.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Go backstage and take a nap. Come back when you feel better.
Okay.
Sheesh. Are you awake too?
Yes.
So, what is...
Sorry, I'm late.
What?
Sorry,
Who's
I'm late. Hi. Sorry, I'm late.
that? Smell of fish. Is it dinner time?
No. Hey.
Hey, you're a mermaid.
And now I'm a harpy. I'm her friend. Serena, you're here. Don't even think
I'm
about
hungry.
it. If you lick me just once, I am going to leave this studio.
Can I smell?
She's visiting.
Okay.
How to stand it?
Alright, so what is Monster High anyway?
Well, Frankie, would you introduce it? Well, Monster High is a place where monsters can enjoy schools and be friendly and all that kind of stuff. Stuff.
So you're a bunch of kids.
No, we're a bunch of teenager monsters. Barrett.
Okay. I wish you guys were birds. Because this is the bird show.
Well, anyway, I'm a part bird, so you don't have to wish me.
Okay.
Anyways, look at my beautiful eyelashes. Yeah, butterfly.
Alright, you're freaking me out.
I think that was just bird sleeping.
How come you're so cold?
Because I'm a Yeti.
Oh. Hey, you look like a regular person.
I'm a mummy. Excuse me.
So where's your... You don't look like a mummy.
I know, because I'm...
Where's your kids?
I don't have kids.
You said mommy. Get it? Oh! Don't call for me.
Achoo! Ugh, I have to sneeze.
And you're a vampire? Oh!
Oh, I'm sorry. I just can't
The
stand that
fish
good.
fell over.
I just can't stand that good. And I'm not a fish. I'm a mermaid.
Where do you come from? The lake?
No.
Fish tank?
No.
Ocean?
I was born. My mother was a mermaid and my dad was a ghost.
Such a sad story.
What? Oh, God.
Okay, let's see who's next on here. And you're a
Zombie.
zombie. Oh, don't eat me now. I guess you can't talk.
Yeah, but we
next
understand.
She got.
Me.
What are you?
I'm a ghost.
Oh yeah, you're a ghost. Yeah. Okay. Yo.
Frankie, son.
Thank you, son. Yeah. Who's over there back there?
Gargoyle.
Yeah, you're cool. You can fly. You look like a bird.
I think.
And wolf. Yeah. Oh, somebody just fell.
Yeah. Sorry. I'm like that.
All right. I think I'll take a break and let my rainbow take over now.
Yeah.
Never mind. You're just flying around.
Get off of me.
What is wrong with you? This is a show, not playtime.
Yeah, but I forgot.
Okay. Well.
And I'm back.
Oh,
Sorry.
somebody just fell.
Ooh, mermaid's back. Ooh, fishy back.
You get enough sleep?
Yes. Ooh, fishy's back.
Well,
Ooh, fishy's back. Yeah.
Well.
Fishy back. Yum, yum.
You're right in time for the end of the show.
What? I missed the whole show? What the heck?
Yeah. And soon the music will be playing.
I'm fine.
Okay. Soon the music is gonna play. And,
Come on, Blurry. Ow, please.
oh, it fell down. Well, soon the music will be playing.
Come on, mate. Come with me.
Will somebody play the music? We need to get out of here.
Help me.
I think this has got to be the worst show ever. Well, thank you
Tell me about it.
thank you for tuning in to the Bird Show. Next week we'll have a better show. Thanks. Goodbye.